So guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make your website faster, how to make your WordPress website faster. It's a step-by-step tutorial. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So why do we need to make our WordPress website faster? As per Google, the more faster the website, the much more easier it is to rank. Okay, and the second thing is the faster the website, people will stay more on your website, because usually if your website doesn't load in more before 3 seconds, there are a lot of visitors, they bounce off, which is called the bounce rate. So currently right now, so basically CloudFlare is a web performance. So basically it puts your website in different parts of the world, so it's much more easier to access. Basically it's like a virtual private network kind of a thing, where so if you could read over here, so it's like a CDN content delivery network, where it helps you put your images on the cloud, so it's much more easier and faster to load. So you need to do that. So I'm going to show you how do you do that. First thing is click on plugins and add new. First thing is you need to install auto optimize, yeah. So I think I did the wrong spelling, so it's auto optimize. So yeah, it's this one. It has more than 1 million active installations. So just click on install now. Once it's done, click on activate, and then once you are activated, click on settings. All you have to do is optimize JavaScript, optimize CSS, optimize HTML. That's it. Save changes and empty cache. Once that's done, so first you need to install auto optimize. The second one is WP Rocket. So it's a cache plugin. Nothing comes close to WP Rocket. If you have WP cache or a lot of other cache plugins, like if I write over here, I go on plugins, add new, if I WP cache, or just write cache. So there are a lot of plugins like Lightspeed cache, WP fastest cache, W3 total cache, but nothing comes close to this because it has a lot of things. So if I go on discover all features, page caching, quick setup, cache preloading, everything is there. CloudFlare compatibility, this is where CloudFlare comes. So I have the paid version, you can buy it, you can try it out. Install now. So I've installed it. I can just click on activate plugin. Once it's activated, click on settings. Okay, yes, allow. So dashboard is as it is, nothing you have to do over here. Okay, cache, I would say 30 days. Okay, if you're changing your website really frequently, then I would suggest keeping it as per like 1 week, 2 week, depending on how you change. But for me, I keep it 30 days because I don't change much. Yes, allow. Okay, file optimization, you don't have to touch it because it says that we have used auto optimize, so you don't have to do that. Media, lazy load, this and that, and enable iframes, and also disable WordPress embeds. That's it. For preload, this is it, you don't have to do nothing. Leave as it is, leave as it is. If you want to clean up, you could do once in a while, but I don't do it. CDN, this is where you would come on add-ons, and then you can install CloudFlare. Once you do that, and then you need to, it's a free account you can make on CloudFlare. You can find your API key, click on that. You could figure out your, just create a free ID in CloudFlare, and then you could just put your global API key, account email, and zone ID. Everything is there. You don't have to. If you need help, just click over here. They would tell you each and everything, how do you do that. Save changes, and then that's it. If I go on visit site, so currently right now I am on a temporary domain but still hopefully we could just figure out and try doing it. And also you need to remember one thing, that you don't have to be 100% always. If you do 100%, nothing is perfect. Leave it as it is. Just do these settings and you're very well and you're good to go, and that's it. This is how you can speed up your WordPress website. And that's it guys. I hope you really like the video. We are just waiting for the test right now, but if you like the video, please consider subscribing. Okay, and that's it guys. I hope you like the video. So let's see. So you see 99, 97 loads within 1 second. The more simpler, the more faster it is, the more better it is, and everything is there. So if I would have used CloudFlare, this would be 100%. And that's it guys. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Yavar signing off. So the free bonus I told you in the beginning, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So if you're new here and if you are struggling to create a website, to decide the best themes, the best plugins, the best web hosting and the best settings for SEO, and how to rank on Google and how to get traffic, then this is the course for you. So you can just learn techniques to get free traffic to your website. The link is down below, and thanks for watching.